Are you looking for to fix National Lottery app card unavailable? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So you might be in the position where you are trying to update the card, but it says update card unavailable. You cannot update your card while you have a pending transaction. So in this case, all you gotta do is clear all the transaction that has been on pending. After that, try uninstalling the application. Tap and hold the app, click on remove app, and then click on delete app. Once deleted, reinstall the application National Lottery. Once you're reinstalled, simply open it. Click on continue. After that, sign in and you will be asked to update your card. Enter your same card if you want or a different one. Well, it can take a few attempts. It's all about the company that authenticates your payment card. Well, if it doesn't work for you, then all you can do is you have to call them and tell them to remove your card, and that will also clear your pending transaction. Then re-add your card and it should be okay. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.